Hello, we are Team JIB 2104, otherwise known as Team NA. My name is Suraj Karthik, and today I will be going over what we were able to accomplish during these last few weeks during Sprint 4 for our project Ethereum Sentiment Analysis. We are working with Elizabeth Dworkin and Nirmal Mikala from Deutsche Bank. The goal of our project is to use news data and previous trends to predict future Ethereum prices. Together, we are creating machine learning models and a web app to do just that. Here are the goals we set out to accomplish during the sprint. We wanted to improve the usability of our application by adding a tutorial that is shown to new users. We also plan to improve our data features by adding more data points catered towards traders who want to use traditional indicators, and by adding a new format to view data as well. We also added an option to download filtered data, which was actually a Sprint 5 goal we completed early. Finally, we wanted to flesh out our filtering functionality by adding a way to save filters that users create. The first feature we implemented was adding a tutorial dialog to our application. Here is the registration page of our application. When a user creates a new account, they are redirected to the main page. The users are shown a tutorial dialog that they can click through that outlines key features of our application. The next feature we implemented was adding new data points to our application. We added more traditional indicators as well as accuracy trend data that can be visualized. Here is the main page of our application. When we click on the filter button, we can see that there are new data points that can be visualized. Here on the left, I have highlighted all of the new traditional indicators that we have added, and on the right, I have added all of the accuracy trend lines for our different models. We have also added tooltips for each data point that you can see here when we hover over each one. The next feature we implemented was adding a new format for viewing data. Here is the main page of our application. When we click on the grid button located at the top left of our chart, we are displayed the exact same data that is on the chart but in a table format. The next feature we implemented was adding the ability to download the data shown on the chart. Here is the main page of our application. When we click on the grid button located at the top left of our chart and click the export button, we see the option to download the data that is displayed as a CSV file. Finally, we implemented additional features relating to filters that were not a part of our iteration plan, such as saving configurations, automatically applying previously saved configurations, and deleting old ones you don't need anymore. Here is the main page of our application. If we click on the filter button and configure a filter, we can see that there is an option to save our filter configuration. If we reload our page and navigate it to the filters again, we can easily apply our saved filter. We also have the option to delete a filter if we no longer want it saved. Those were all of the features we implemented in Sprint 4. Overall, this was a very successful sprint, and we finished all of the tasks for Sprint 4 and even worked ahead into Sprint 5 and added additional new features as well. We hope to keep up this momentum in Sprint 5 and finish the semester strong. Thank you.